Welcome to Mexico, you guys. We're gonna be here for a while, so I'm gonna find some really good recipes for you guys. I got one right now. Let's go downstairs so I can show you the ingredients. Today we're gonna be making tortitas de atún. All this means is tuna potato cake. What we're gonna be using is 3 potatoes, 1/3 of chopped onion, a tuna can, and 10 leaves of spinach, 1 large egg, and breadcrumbs. But I think there's a problem. We don't really have breadcrumbs, so we're just gonna use toast and we're gonna make our own breadcrumbs. And you also need salt, pepper, and oil. First thing we're gonna do is peel the potatoes and boil them in salt water for 40 minutes. Make sure the water covers the potatoes and you put some salt in there. In the meantime, I'm going to make my breadcrumbs. Really easy. Now that we have our breadcrumbs that you can see, we're gonna drain the tuna, cut the spinach and the onion. Now I'm gonna peel the onion.
Are you crying?
I'm about to. We're chopping 1/3 of an onion. Now we mash the potatoes and we add all the ingredients with the breadcrumbs last. Oops. Oopsie. Okay, let's put the ingredients in. Okay, now we're gonna empty half of the breadcrumbs. Now we have to mix it all. The breadcrumbs kind of looks like seasoning. Now we gotta add a little bit of salt and pepper. We're almost ready to form the tortitas, but now just add the rest of the breadcrumbs. Okay, we're ready to make the tortitas. Put a little bit of oil on your hands. Grab a handful. Make a little ball. Smash, smash, smash. And put it on your plate. there's a new plate because this one's full. Cover the bottom of the pan with olive oil and cook it on, and set it to medium and cook it on medium. And make sure before you cook it that the olive oil is hot. They smell and look so good. These kind of remind me of the potato pancakes that we made in the past. This goes really good with avocado tomato salad, but I'm just gonna try it how it is. Pretty good. Really good. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye. And make sure to subscribe, and leave a like on this video. And turn on the notification. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my tortitas. Peace out.